up everyone, it's the Tastemaker and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today to watch me review this beautiful 30-inch hair that I received from Longqi hair. Now, what I will say right now is you might as well subscribe. You might as well subscribe right now. You know why? Because this isn't it. This is not the only time I'm gonna slay some hair or review some very affordable hair for you. So might as well click on that button down there, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on Snapchat because I'm on there every day. Alrighty, you guys, so today's review is going to be on some lovely 30-inch hair. But it's actually not as bad as you think, because off top you're thinking, oh my gosh, it's really long, it's gonna be tangling and getting all in the way. But this hair is so smooth and nice, and I love the fact that it's long but it's not too thick. You see how it's like kind of thin at the ends? I like hair like that. When it is long like this, you don't want your hair to be too thick anyways. So I have in a 20-inch frontal, a 28, and two 30s. Now I only have part of the 28 in. My head is on the like fairly small size, so anytime that I do wigs or weaves or anything like that, I never use 3 bundles. For me, it's almost impossible to use all 3 just because my head is so small. Number one thing you guys want to know is how long is shipping take. I received my hair within 3 days, so it comes fairly quick, and because this is an AliExpress vendor, hair always comes fast from AliExpress. We all know that. So I do have some product on my hair right now, and I am going to go ahead and share those products with you guys. So the first thing that I have on my hair right now is the Lada Body. This is just a foaming mousse, and I put that on my hair so that it stays to the back so you guys can see. That's why my hair is staying in place like this, because I do have this on there. I don't have any gel or anything like that because I wanted to have a nice sleek look that almost looked wet without it being wet. The other thing that I have on my hair right now is this coconut milk anti-breakage serum. So I have this on my hair as well. As you guys see, I use this pretty often. I love using this on my extensions because it really helps with flyaways and things like that, and it gives it a really nice sheen, especially when you are going to be flat ironing your hair. While I am on camera, even though my hair is straight, I was thinking about curling it on camera with you guys, if you guys don't mind. So the curling iron that I have is by Conair, and this is a 1 1/4 inch. I currently have it on 360. I would highly suggest, if you are going to curl your hair or put any kind of heat on your hair, that you do use some kind of heat protection. So I'm just going to get a section like this, starting from the back. And then I am going to get a strand like this. Now the hair is really long, so girl, it's going to be kind of difficult trying to curl my hair, but we're going to try to make it happen. So
wanna know what we say in the club? Hey baby, white folks, gangsters in the dub. Hey baby, stunning with a stack of them jewels. Hey baby, riding in the lack with a move. Hey baby, I'm in the club hollering. Hey baby, as you guys see, there is no tangling in this hair. There is no shedding in this hair. I absolutely love it. It wants me this long, like let the ends are not damaged at all. Hey baby, I'm in the club hollering. Now when I holler, hey baby, I'm finna get my groove on. It's so hot up in the club that I ain't got no shoes on. Holding up a big stack of them hundreds in a rubber band. So don't ask me for no cash, cause I'm not that other man. Everybody tripping cause I'm lipping when I'm walking, and I'm pimping when I'm talking. I don't trick on chickens often. Know them boys in the back, they be rolling up they doty, then they flowing till they choking. That's what got like I ain't coughing. And when I see a bad chick, I'm hollering out, hey baby, y'all ain't with y'all boyfriends, cause I don't care what they say, and I don't care what he say or she say. I'm in the DJ booth taking pictures with the DJ. You wanna know what we say? Some clubs get crunk, what? Hey baby, let it play, that's my song, turn it up, okay? You wanna know what we say? Some clubs get crunk, what? Hey baby, let it play, that's my song, turn it up, okay? You wanna know what we say in the club? Hey baby, white folks, gangsters in the dub. Hey baby, stunning with a stack of them jewels. Hey baby, riding in the lack with a move. Hey baby, I'm in the club hollering. Hey baby.
Yeah, there you have it. So I have my 2 little curls right there, and then this is the rest of my hair. It's just wavy. It's not really like a curl down there. So yeah, that's how you do a cute little top up, top down. And then if you wanted to, like I said, you guys can pull that all to the back as well. You don't have to have it all up forward, or you can have it off to one side like this, which is also really cute. But obviously, because we curled them like in different directions, they're not gonna be the same way. It's an easy hairstyle, so you don't have to wear it, you know, just slicked back if you didn't want to. This is another cute hairstyle option. I did want to make sure that if I am gonna be reviewing some hair, that I give you guys different examples of how you can wear the hair rather than just like the initial straight way or wearing it back, because I feel like that's fairly easy to do and it's kind of like lazy, but it's more exciting when you see something like this. And even though it was something as simple as just like putting the middle section up in a little ponytail, now you can also put the whole front part in a ponytail, but I don't like to. I just kind of like to have part of it down because I like when I have like my sides like this, you know. Anyways, you guys, overall I give this hair 5 stars. Definitely go and pick some of this hair up. This is the best hair that I've ever had from AliExpress, in my opinion. This hair is definitely up there as far as the quality. It doesn't have any smells. There's no tangling. For it to be 30 inches and for it to look like this, the shine in the hair, I put very little of this in this hair. Before I even did that, this hair had a lot of shine, as you guys can see here in the Snapchat when I first had the hair installed, coming straight from the beauty salon. This is what my hair was looking like. Absolutely amazing. It's long, it's healthy, it feels great to touch, it's super soft, and it holds a curl amazingly. And you guys see my little pony is so cute. I love my little ponytail. And then obviously, if you didn't want the rubber band to show, you can always get a piece of hair and like wrap it around. But yeah, you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Longqi for sponsoring this video and sending over this amazing hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys loved the intro, and until next time, bye.